Hello friends, to another update on Nasdaq. In my last update, the price was kind of around here, and I was saying basically three things. First of all, I was expecting volatility to return to the market after a period where the price has consolidated in a very high resistance area over here. You see the candles overlapping with their bodies one day after the other, and this is what I was saying, that typically after a period of high resistance move, the price tends to have a volatility injection and to move either to the upside or to the downside, but in a more volatile way, in a more explosive way, just as a spring is accumulating energy, and when you release it, it goes wherever it wants to go, in a very explosive move. So this is the first thing I was saying. The second thing I was saying was that my bias was bearish based on the price movement, the latest price movements, and I will leave a link in the description or in the clip right here with my previous update, so you can see in details what I was saying and the reasons why I was bearish. And the third thing that I was saying was, okay, my bias is bearish, volatility is incoming, but what if? And I was analyzing the what if scenarios, meaning if I was to be right in my bearish bias, I was expecting, or I was conditioning the bearish bias to be fully confirmed by a daily close below the midpoint of this week over here on 17th of February, which is kind of in the area of 24,600. So a daily close below that point would fully confirm the bearish bias. And on the other side, on the other hand, I was saying that if I'm wrong and the price wants to move higher, then we should expect and we should wait for a close, daily close, above this point over here, the high on the 11th of February, which is 25,465. So if we get a daily close above that point, that would deny the bearish bias, and we should move in a bullish bias mode. And let's see what the price has done until now. So we had a couple of green candles. We have attacked this swing point over here. Let me put the full lipstick on. Okay, this was the picture that I was showing in my previous update. So I was saying, look, confirmation for upside above this point, confirmation for downside below this point. The price has moved aggressively in a volatile way for a couple of days. This move was not only fueled by the Nvidia earnings, which were above expectations, but I think the market and the market makers have used that market update from Nvidia to manipulate the price in the direction of this swing point over here, to accumulate more liquidity above these swing points over here and above this swing point here, with the ultimate intention, this is my opinion, with the ultimate intention to distribute prices down and down and down, as I was previously expecting. Now, we are still not in an environment where anything is confirmed, because we had neither a close above this point, neither a close below this point. So we cannot definitely say that I was fully right. Nevertheless, judging by the type of the move that I'm seeing right now in the market, with this manipulation of the highs and accelerated distribution downwards, I think my bias is right. I think we are moving in a bearish direction, and the bearish move will be sustained, as I was saying, not only to this sell side liquidity points over here, but also further down the road, maybe at the horizon of, I don't know, of a couple of months, moving downwards to these equal lows over here. Look how smooth they look. Okay, both of them in the area of 22,780, 23,030. So right now, again, I'm expecting lower prices. We have gapped heavily to the downside. Of course, this last move, this is Friday, and this is today. This is Monday. This gap here is caused by the fact that, of course, a war has erupted over the weekend in Iran. So it was kind of a normal that the price will gap, probably down, and it did. We took out the low over here. This was a first swing point to be taken. We have not closed the day, obviously. It's just the beginning of the day. It's 3:30 New York time, 3:30 a.m. So we have a long way to go until the day is closed. But nevertheless, we are seeing this violent move gapping down. So I'm expecting this low to be taken. Then tomorrow we have to see where the price has closed the day, and if we will close the day below this point, then I think the scenario will start to play out in the direction of this sell side liquidity, and who knows, maybe again a couple of months down the road, we will move also lower to these targets here in the 23,000 area. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for watching this. Like, share, subscribe if you like this kind of content, and I will see you guys in the next one.